Hey guys, Matt here with I Am Home Inspections. So we've got a very small crawl space access, but we can still make it. We got some interesting finds. A very large crack here in this corner in the foundation wall. And we also see some staining in the subfloor. And something you don't see very often is for the pier and beams here that hold the flooring, we can see that some of them aren't actually in place anymore. Like you see over here, this one was also laying on the ground. Further, I can see some sort of repairs. You see the newer wood. Let's see what else we have here. So this is some old cast iron pipes. This is a very old house, so this is the old style plumbing. I see some new plastic tied in there, so a little bit of this, a little bit of that. There's some copper supply plumbing as well. And then through here is the basement, so we'll go in there and see if we can find some other things.
I Am Home Inspections. Inspections that matter for people who care. 818-298-3405.